Reading from the book of Psalms 19, verse 1. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. 147, verse 8. Who covers the heaven with clouds, who prepares rain for the earth, who makes grass to grow on the mountains. 148, verse 7 onwards. Praise the Lord from the earth, you great sea creatures on all the depths, fire and hail, snow and clouds, stormy wind fulfilling his word, mountains and all hills, fruitful trees and all cedars, bees and all cattle, creeping things and flying forth, kings of the earth and all peoples, princes and all judges of the earth, both young men and maidens, old men and children. Let them praise the name of the Lord, for his name alone is exalted. His glory is above the earth and the heaven. Amen.